How to find comma without following space in MS Word 2003. Sometimes I get docs from users that do not use the space bar after a comma. For example, look, this is an example. In Word 2003, is there any search wildcard that I can use to find those occurrences? I have tried, and, without success, also, and, are not working.
You can use this pattern. That means, find a comma character between any characters, just not at the beginning of the word and not on the end of the word. So that in the example below, one would find only the comma at 3a, but not those at 1 and c.
I can tell you a simpler way. Just replace all with where means a blank space and then replace with to account for places where users did put a space after comma. Warning: if you use commas in numbers, either as thousand separator or decimal separator, you need to go through the document to correct numbers such as 1200, which will now be rendered as 1200.
To search and correct for commas not followed by a space, check Use Wildcards and use following. Note, there is a space after exclamation mark in Find What. If your text contains CTA languages/scripts, like Hindi/Devanagari, above does not work. Don't know why? Use this instead. Will also work with Latin script languages. If your text contains poetry, then comma may appear at the end of lines. In the stanza, it should not be followed by space, so condition should be added to avoid commas at the end of lines. If commas appearing at the end of paragraphs should also be avoided, then add 13, paragraph mark, without. However, there is low possibility for this. It is only possible when the typist had given paragraph breaks, instead of line breaks, at the end of each line. One more case: if your text contains numbers containing comma, to indicate hundreds, thousand separator, use this to avoid unwanted such commas.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.